Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into everything that makes your beauty routine truly shine. Today, we're checking out something designed specifically for dry hair, Dove's Daily Moisture Conditioner. It promises to hydrate, smooth, and strengthen with some serious tech behind it. Bioprotein care and hyaluronic serum. Let's see how it really performs beyond the labels. This conditioner comes in a generous 28-ounce bottle formulated for dry, damaged hair. Its star ingredients include bioprotein care technology, which claims to deliver 1 trillion protein strength builders to help regenerate your hair, and hyaluronic serum, well known for its moisture binding powers. The idea is to restore softness and manageability from the very first use. You pair it with their daily moisture shampoo, applying the conditioner after shampooing, massaging it in for about a minute before rinsing out. Simple, right? I incorporated this conditioner into my routine for a couple of weeks to get a real feel for its benefits. The texture is creamy without feeling heavy, which is key for dry hair. It glides on smoothly and rinses out easily without leaving any residue or weighing hair down. My hair felt instantly softer and noticeably less tangled after rinsing, which was a relief for my typically dry strands. What I appreciated most was how it helped manage frizz, especially in humid weather. It gave my hair a subtle smoothness that wasn't slick or greasy, just natural, touchable softness. I also tested it on my hair when I skipped styling products, and it still delivered a manageable finish, which speaks to its nourishing quality. However, if you're someone with severely damaged or chemically treated hair, it might not replace more intensive treatments like masks or oils, but it definitely supports daily moisture maintenance. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, it's affordable for a 28-ounce bottle, making it accessible for everyday use. The formula's blend of protein and hyaluronic acid is a smart combo, targeting both repair and hydration. It's also lightweight, so it works well even for fine to medium hair types that struggle with heavy conditioners. Packaging is simple but practical, with a sturdy flip cap that dispenses just the right amount. On the downside, if your hair is extremely dry or coarse, you might find it needs to be paired with a richer mask for deeper repair. Also, if you're allergic or sensitive to silicones, which this conditioner contains, it may not be the best fit, as it uses silicones to smooth hair cuticles. Lastly, the fragrance is mild but distinct, which some might find too perfumed for sensitive scalps. Price-wise, it strikes a solid balance. Compared to high-end conditioners with similar claims, Dove's Daily Moisture offers a wallet-friendly option without skimping on key ingredients like hyaluronic acid and protein. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable daily conditioner that hydrates and smooths, this is definitely worth considering. If you're weighing options, a good comparison might be the OGX Hydrate and Repair Conditioner, which also features hyaluronic acid, but often comes at a slightly higher price point. Dove's formula feels a bit lighter in texture, making it more versatile for everyday use without buildup. The packaging is durable and user-friendly, plus the product's shelf life aligns well with industry standards, so you won't have to worry about it losing efficacy quickly. I didn't have to interact with customer support, but Dove's reputation for responsive service and product reliability is well known, so that adds peace of mind. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now, if you're on a tighter budget but still want hydration, brands like Suave and Garnier Fructis offer conditioners with hyaluronic acid at a lower price, though they may not have the same protein-boosting tech. So it really depends on how much repair versus moisture you need daily. To wrap it up, Dove's Daily Moisture Conditioner with Bioprotein Care and Hyaluronic Serum delivers on its promise of softening and smoothing dry hair with a smart blend of ingredients backed by science. It's best suited for those with mildly to moderately dry hair looking for a dependable daily conditioner that's lightweight yet effective. If your hair needs more intense repair, this works great as a solid step in a broader hair care routine. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to grab this conditioner down in the description box or comments. If you've already tried it, drop your experience below. I love hearing what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.